You talk to a lot of companies, and
Yeah.
so you focus on your research on industrial AI edge and connected worker.
Yeah.
I'm curious, what trends are emerging around this convergence between industrial AI edge, connected workers, and how should vendors position themselves to address at this intersection effectively?
Well, that's a really good question. First of all, let me tell you that, again, Automate and kind of a messy last month, right? Industrial AI, frontline operations, or augmented connected worker, as we call it at Frost Sullivan, and industrial edge are three of the key topics today, I would say, probably along with software-defined automation as well. Industrial data management also, right? Each of those topics has its own, landscape, trends, challenges also, right? But the interesting part of your question is the convergence, right? So in terms of industrial AI is converging with edge computing when talking about edge AI, right? Doing edge, or I would say edge AI inferences at the edge, right? Not to, get all the data to the cloud and then start doing the AI-driven analytics there. There are some sort of bandwidth issues. There are some sort of course, response time, right? So, and of course, security, right? Every single manufacturer today wants to have, or do not want to have, their IP, proprietary data stored in the cloud, right? So Edge AI is one very strong trend in the industrial AI